Welcome to this Department of Workforce Development video about how to report your work search actions to unemployment. When you are required to search for work to maintain your eligibility for unemployment benefits, you must report the details of your work search actions to unemployment for each week you file for benefits. To report your work search actions each week, you can use the weekly work search entry form or enter them when you file your weekly claim. When using the weekly work search entry form, you can add your work search actions during the week. You will still need to file your weekly claim in addition to using the weekly work search entry form. When you file your weekly claim, the work search actions you have entered are automatically added. If you do not use the weekly work search entry form, you will need to enter your work search actions when you file your weekly claim. If you cannot use online services, have your work search actions ready to supply when you file your weekly claim by phone. To use the weekly work search entry form to record your work search actions, access the form from your MyUI homepage by clicking the Enter Work Search button. Each page of the weekly work search entry form shows which week you are recording your work search actions for. On the first page, review the instructions, check the box acknowledging you are responsible for knowing the information presented, and click Continue. For each action you completed during the week, select the type of action you completed and click Next. Then record the details of the action you are reporting by completing all required fields. For all work search actions, you will be required to enter the date you completed the action. When contacting potential employers as part of your work search, you will be required to provide the name of the employer's contact information, including website, phone, and/or address, the type of work you were seeking, and the results of your contact with the employer. Depending on the type of action you are reporting, you may be required to enter additional information that the department can use to verify your work search action. After recording your work search action, the work search summary page allows you to update or remove each action. From this page, you can continue adding work search actions for the current week or return to your MyUI summary. Remember, you must still file your weekly claim certification after the week is over to be paid unemployment benefits. Any information provided on the weekly work search entry form will be transferred to your weekly claim certification for the week. If you do not use the weekly work search entry form to record your work search actions during the week, you must report your work search actions when filing your weekly claim certification. For each week you file a weekly claim certification, you will be asked if you performed at least 4 work search actions. If you did perform 4 work search actions, select Yes and click Next to begin entering the details of each action. If you did not perform at least 4 work search actions during the week, select No and continue through the certification to provide information about why you did not complete the work search requirement during the week. For each work search action you completed during the week, select the type of action you completed and click Next. Then, record the details of the action you are reporting by completing all required fields. After recording your work search action, the work search summary page allows you to update or remove each action. After adding each action, this page will display the number of required work search actions you have reported for the week. Next, you must answer the question, did you perform more work search actions during the week? To report additional work search actions, select Yes and click the Add Work Search button. If you do not have more work search actions to report for the week, select No and continue through the certification to provide information about why you did not complete the work search requirement during the week. After you have entered the details of your 4 work search actions, the certification will indicate you have provided the required actions. You may continue adding additional work search actions if you completed additional actions during the week. After reporting your work search actions for the week, click Next to continue your weekly claim certification. Your claim is not complete until you submit your claim and receive a confirmation. Thank you for watching this Department of Workforce Development video about how to report your work search actions to unemployment. For more information on unemployment insurance or to file your claim, go to my.unemployment.wisconsin.gov.